Let's go ahead and do a review of NoLimit, which lets you leverage predictive analytics to create a foolproof social media strategy. It's alternative to Brand24, Amplify, and Keyhole. It would be best fit for social media managers, marketing agencies, and marketers looking to launch data-driven social media campaigns. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into NoLimit and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $69, and for $69 you can get 25 social profiles, 10 keywords and hashtags, 50,000 annual streams. If you go for license tier 2, you can get 50 social profiles, 20 keywords and hashtags, 100,000 annual streams. Want to get an extra 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. Keyword Search is a suite of AI tools that helps you research high-ranking keywords, videos, channels, and ads on YouTube. Now you can grow your YouTube channel by using AI to discover laser-targeted keywords that rank high in YouTube search results. NoLimit is built to improve social media campaigns with tools for content performance, competitor analysis, hashtag tracking, and more. NoLimit lets you access data-driven insights from social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or Instagram to improve your social media strategy. You can track any social media profile, relevant keywords, and campaign-specific hashtags from your custom dashboard. And with full insights on your competitors, you'll be able to analyze campaign results, identify trends, and discover growth opportunities. You can analyze the performance of your posts and your competitors' content, as well as track follower growth over time. Evaluate social media campaigns with specific hashtags and compare multiple campaigns in just a few clicks. NoLimit also lets you keep an eye on specific keywords or hashtags to learn how people are talking about your brand online. You'll even be able to manage conversations with your followers and get real-time updates straight from your dashboard. The social listening feature lets you gather any mentions of brands, competitors, and industries by tracking specific profiles, keywords, and hashtags. Use sentiment analysis to uncover what people say and think about your brand, so you're always dialed into your brand's reputation. Plus, you can monitor published articles related to specific keywords to create more relevant content for your followers. You'll be able to customize your own intelligence dashboard so you're only tracking the metrics that matter most to your business. Take advantage of predictive analytics capabilities to create a better strategy and respond to challenges before they occur. NoLimit even lets you download data into PDF reports, letting you share insights with the rest of your team. Tapping into online convos can help you learn more about why your audience likes your business. NoLimit is packed with powerful tools to help you run data-driven social media campaigns that are perfectly designed for your target audience. Create smarter social media campaigns. Get lifetime access to NoLimit today.